Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. If you've ever wondered how to become a machine learning engineer and build a high-demand, high-paying career in tech, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you step by step through the roadmap, the skills you need, and how to get started from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start your journey into machine learning engineering. Let's start with the Machine Learning Engineer Roadmap. Becoming a machine learning engineer requires a combination of education, technical skills, and practical experience. The roadmap typically begins with building a strong foundation in mathematics, programming, and computer science. From there, you'll move on to learning machine learning algorithms, working with data, and understanding how to implement models in real-world applications. As you progress, you can specialize in areas like deep learning, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning. Following this roadmap ensures you develop both the theoretical knowledge and hands-on skills that employers look for. What machine learning engineers do? A machine learning engineer designs, builds, and optimizes algorithms that allow computers to learn from data. They work with large data sets, clean and pre-process information, and develop models to make predictions or decisions. These engineers often apply techniques like neural networks, regression models, or classification algorithms to improve predictive accuracy. In addition to coding and model development, they monitor and maintain systems in production to ensure performance and reliability. Machine learning engineers bridge the gap between data science and software engineering, turning data insights into actionable applications. What educational background and skill set should a machine learning engineer have? While there is no single path to becoming a machine learning engineer, most professionals start with a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, mathematics, or a related field. Key skills include Python, R, or Java programming, data structures and algorithms, and machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Knowledge of statistics, probability, and linear algebra is critical, as is familiarity with data pre-processing and model evaluation techniques. Soft skills like problem-solving, critical thinking, and communication are also essential, as engineers often collaborate with cross-functional teams to deploy models effectively. Now that we've covered demand and salaries, let's look at how to learn the skills needed to become a machine learning engineer. There are many paths to learning machine learning engineering, from formal degrees to online certifications and self-paced courses. Start with foundational programming and mathematics, then move on to introductory machine learning courses that cover supervised and unsupervised learning. As you gain confidence, work on projects to apply what you've learned, such as building predictive models, recommendation systems, or image classifiers. Advanced courses in deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning can help you specialize. Joining online communities, participating in competitions, and contributing to open-source projects are excellent ways to gain practical experience and showcase your skills to potential employers. So, what are the demand and salary expectations for machine learning engineers? Machine learning engineers are in high demand across industries like technology, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Companies are investing heavily in artificial intelligence and data-driven decision-making, creating strong job opportunities for skilled professionals. According to data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics and industry salary surveys, the median salary for a machine learning engineer is approximately $169,700 per year. Entry-level positions typically start lower, often in the range of $90,000 to $110,000 annually, depending on location, education, and experience. Experienced engineers, especially those with specialized skills in areas like deep learning, natural language processing, or production-level AI systems can earn significantly more, with total compensation frequently exceeding $200,000 in major tech hubs and at leading companies. Becoming a machine learning engineer is a journey that requires dedication, continuous learning, and practical experience. By following a structured roadmap, acquiring the right skills, and building a portfolio of projects, you can position yourself for a successful career in this rapidly growing field. Remember, the key is to start learning, practice consistently, and seek out opportunities to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. For those looking to build skills and advance their careers, we've included recommended beginner to advanced machine learning professional certificates in the description and pinned comments. These programs are designed to help you build practical, job-ready machine learning skills at every stage of your career. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit us at businesstrainingmedia.com for more courses and professional development resources.